Are you looking for the best dividend stocks in Canada? Today we're going to tell you about one stock that we hold within our Smith Manoeuvre that pays excellent dividends. We're planning to achieve FIRE in 2024, and part of our way to get there is through dividend paying stocks. So stick around and we'll let you know exactly which stock we're talking about today.
We are talking about PowerCorp. As we record this video in November 2021, the first time that we heard about PowerCorp, it was in 2020. We had a meeting with somebody. This person said, go invest in PowerCorp and take a look. And we said, okay, let's go and take a look. We never did. We met the person for the second time in 2020. He asked again, did you look at PowerCorp? And I said, no. Until we got back home, and ever since we started looking at the financials of this company. Came 2021, and as we were building our dividend portfolio in Canada with Canadian stocks, we started considering PowerCorp. We pulled the trigger in this year, and ever since we are really happy customers of PowerCorp. We are happy investors of PowerCorp. On today's video, we will be discussing with you the reasons why we invest in PowerCorp. What is the strategy behind? How much have we invested? How much have we received in dividends? But not only that, how much are we going to be receiving in 2022 and moving forward? We are not financial advisors, and we say we, by the way, my name is Jean.
I'm Christine.
We do live in Canada, and since the beginning of 2021, as we are recording this video, we decided to create this channel to share our journey to financial independence, and we are not far away. 2024 is just around the corner, and this is the time that we think, is it think?
No, we are.
That we are. We are going to be financially independent. So, stick around. You can skip to the chapters if you want to, but just pause a video for a second. And if you have not subscribed yet, this is a good opportunity for you, because every single weekend we post a video related to our journey to financial independence. It might be something about dividend stocks. It might be something about ETFs, about real estate, so you name it. Everything that we can do to make more money, to invest more money, and to save more money we are doing, because time is precious and we don't have a lot of time, do we?
Well, I hope we have a lot of time.
Yeah, we have a lot of time, but then I need time to become FI. That's the time that I'm talking about. So first of all, what is PowerCorp?
So based on the name, you might actually think that it's a PowerCorp, like power company, Enbridge, something like that. Not even close. So up on the screen, you're going to see the definition, but Power Corporation is an international management and holding company that focuses on financial services in North America, Europe, and Asia. Its core holdings are leading insurance, retirement, wealth management, and investment businesses, including a portfolio of alternative asset investment platforms. Basically, it's a financial company. Doesn't seem like it from the title, but that's what it is. So it falls into the financial allocation of our portfolio here in Canada.
Yes. Its ticker symbol is POW.TO.
So if you look at the org chart, you're going to notice that Power Corporation has a bunch of insurance companies such as Great-West Life, IG Wealth Management, Mackenzie Investment, but also has fintech investments, including Wealthsimple, Personal Capital, and some others. Mm-hmm. So as we record the video today, which is November 26th, the share price of Power Corporation is $42.30 Canadian. It has a dividend yield of right around 4.7%, which is really a decent dividend yield, especially here in Canada. That's a pretty good one. So PowerCorp is also considered a dividend aristocrat here in Canada, and some of the criteria that needs to be met in order to be considered a dividend aristocrat here in Canada, which is different than the States, but here in Canada, your market cap has to be at least 300 million. You have to increase your dividends for 5 consecutive years, of course be listed on the TSX, And this is slightly different. I think in the US, you need to have increased your dividends for 25 consecutive years. Yes. So it's about much shorter time span here in Canada. Hey, 5 years is still better than 4 is still better than 3, so we'll take it.
Exactly. So up to this point, that's like an overview of the company, right? But the way that we do kind of analyze stocks, it might be different from you. Again, we are not financial experts, and everything that we do is based on our own research. So far, it has been working, but as we said before, you gotta go and study the company. You gotta go and talk to somebody which might be a financial planner, a financial advisor. Do your own diligence, because at the end of the day, it's your money, right? So you gotta be careful with the money that you are investing into the market.
So if we look at some of the reasons as to why we've decided to invest into PowerCorp, their market cap sits right around $28.2 billion. That's a lot of money and a lot of assets. So we feel like it's a really stable and substantial company. The net asset value per share sits at $52.81. And like we mentioned before, the dividend yield is quite healthy and is currently rated around 4.7%.
Keep looking at the reasons why I invest in PowerCorp. If we are not mistaken, it's more than 6 years of consecutive growth. As you can see on your screen, in 2021, year to date, the stock is up 45.45%. And the payout ratio is also great, it's around 41.5%.
Yeah. And it's up a lot this year because it went down a lot last year.
Yeah.
But that's still really good, right? It's recovered well after COVID, which means that it's a strong company. And it didn't end up cutting its dividends. It stayed strong throughout the pandemic as well. So,
and maybe it might be the case, we don't see PowerCorp as a different growth. It's more stable, we should say, but we are happy with that as we are building our portfolio of dividend paying stocks in Canada. We know that PowerCorp is doing it's doing a great job, and so far it's working for us. Now let's take a look at the PowerCorp's financial situation. As you can see on your screen, the revenue that's increasing as of the end of 2020 is around 64 million. If you look at the free cash flow, which is another important aspect in evaluating a stock, again in 2020 is around $10 million, right? So we know that there is a good company to invest, but just between us, it's a lot of information, it's a lot of numbers, and as we said before, we are not financial advisors. We are just looking for some of those items that it's important, being the payout ratio, the free cash flow. What else?
Consecutive growth.
The consecutive growth. That's basically what we are looking for, but we are not experts.
Everybody has a different system, and if you take a look through a lot of other videos, people come up with different ways of evaluating stocks. So this is just what works for us. Obviously, like it's been said before, do your own research. You'll probably find lots of other information to go on as well. So we're mainly talking about holding PowerCorp in our Smith Manoeuvre margin account today. However, we do also hold it inside my TFSA, and that's related to a side hustle that I do with furniture flipping. Just more of a curiosity thing than anything else. I want to see how much I can make and then how much we can grow what was made and where we end up at the end. But today we're talking about the Smith Manoeuvre account and how much we hold inside that particular account. If you're not familiar with the Smith Manoeuvre, I think Jean's going to link a video, and it's basically where we've taken the equity that we've built up in our home and we are investing that into Canadian dividend paying stocks for a multitude of reasons that are all included in that video. So if we take a look at our portfolio inside the Smith Manoeuvre, our average stock price for PowerCorp right now sits right around $41.28. We did not see that 45% gain from last year. We bought in and we've seen about a 2% increase, but we've been investing consistently over the past year, but the price is pretty much staying in and around the same. So we've seen a little bit of growth, not much, but that's not why we bought it. We bought it for its dividend.
Yeah, and as you can see on the dividend history, you can see that we start buying this stock back in June of 2021.
Yeah, we started out with 186 shares. And over the course of the year and up to this point, we've consistently added to that. And we're currently holding 488 shares of PowerCorp inside of our margin account.
So with this 488 stocks, we are planning to receive, if we don't do anything else for 2022, we are going to be receiving $972. Our goal is to increase this position moving forward. For example, if you just buy 22 more stocks of PowerCorp, we're going to be up to 1,000 in dividends per year, which is, we are not that far away. Right?
No, it's not. But we have reached a bit of a goal, and I think just this past week we actually managed to max out our current position. We like to hold a certain amount per stock in our portfolio. So we've actually reached the same point with PowerCorp that we are with our other stocks. So we're going to start adding to all the positions, including PowerCorp, going forward, and hopefully we're going to see quite the change in our dividend payout for the year.
Yeah, if you look at our dividend playlist, where we're gonna link up here, you can see that we were on previous months basically on the same amount of dividends per month, just because every single dividend that we receive, we were just putting towards PowerCorp, which we finally are up to this point where we are balancing the same wave from all of those stocks, and moving forward in 2022, we are going to increase them again, all of them.
So this is only one of 11 or 12? 11 positions that we hold within our Smith Manoeuvre account, but it's one of the strong dividend payers within that account. So we wanted to share it with you today. Let us know what you think. Do you like PowerCorp? Do you own it yourself? Are you planning on investing in it?
We hope that you are well and safe, and would like to say thank you today to Michelle. Michelle is also here in Ontario, not far away in Brampton. We loved receiving your comment on Instagram. So thank you very much, and we hope that perhaps one day we can see you when this COVID stuff is over, and we're looking forward to connecting with you.
Have a great day, guys.
Take care. Stay safe.
Bye.
Bye. The free cash flow is also great, which is 10, it's not 10,000
million, no?
Yeah. The same goes to Clash.
What does TTM stand for?
Trailing 12 months.
So we're mainly talking about holdings the power. Its core holdings are leading financial.
Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, I was not doing a good job.
No, you have to do picture time.
Yeah.
You have to hold the picture though. We can't be moving around because then you can't snip it.
Okay.
What should we do for the picture? What, are you gonna hold it? You're gonna put it in the middle?
Yeah. Just hold that.
Why?
Because
it looks funny.
What? Why it looks funny?
Are you gonna put it on top of the paper?
Yeah, because we're gonna see best dividend stocks.
I don't know whether I paused long enough.
No? Okay. Good. Alright.
Want to do the other one?
No, not good for that.